What do you do if you're given 2 points on a coordinate grid and you need to find the equation for the line that contains them? I'm Adam Reich with wonderfultutor.com, and let's talk about it. So the 2 points we've been given in this problem are 2, 3, and 4, -5. First, let's talk about what you need for the equation of a line. Well, you need to start with the formula, the point-slope formula, and that's going to be y equals mx plus b. We know that we have the full equation for a line when we have the m and the b filled in, because m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Now, part 1 in this problem is getting the slope. That would be the variable m. Now, m is equal to the change in y, y2 minus y1, over the change in x, x2 minus x1, where these 2 points represent x1, comma, y1, and x2, comma, y2. At this point, we can simply just enter those numbers into the formula and get out our slope. So y2 is going to be -5 minus 3 over 4 minus 2. -5 minus 3 is -8. 4 minus 2 is 2. And if we divide here, we get that the slope is equal to -4. All right, so if we take our y equals mx plus b and we just plug our slope right in there, we get y is equal to -4x plus b. Very good. Now all we have to do is get b. Let's take a look at that formula one more time. Y equals mx plus b. Now what a lot of people don't recognize is that the x and the y in that formula actually represent all the possible points on that line. And if we know any of those xy points, we can just plug it into our equation. Well, it just so happens that the problem that we're working on gave us 2 points that are on this line right at the beginning. So we could take either one of those 2 points and plug it into our equation. You could choose 2, 3, you could choose 4, -5. It doesn't really matter. Just choose the one that looks like it might be easier for you to solve. I'm going to choose 2, 3, whatever. So if we plug 3 in for y and plug 2 in for x, and we just continue to solve here, we get 3 equals -8 plus b. Of course, we're going to add 8 on both sides. This cancels out, and we get 11 is equal to b. Now that we have b, let's just plug it into that equation we're trying to create. Over here, we get y equals -4x plus 11, and we found our equation. I hope that helped you today. If you learned something, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. I'm Adam Reich with wonderfultutor.com, and I'll see you on the next one.